Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Derek Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today, we're going to talk about assets. That's right, creation of wealth. What wealthy people do. You know we're on this kick because the economy's going down. So you thought, but one percenters don't lose. So we're going to talk about it. Get your assets now. This is the No Guru Zone. So, Tifosi Optics, check. Stop Struggling Now merchandise, check. Welcome, and please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back. That's right. We're here now talking about creating wealth. That's right. You know what we're talking about here, but first, there's always something else. For the life of me, I can't understand why somebody would not download Webull and Robinhood, if you haven't already, to get your free share of stock. It doesn't cost you anything, just 5 minutes of your time. This is how you start building wealth. This is what the one percenters do. This is what the millionaires do. This is what the billionaires do. This is what the wealthy do. Makes money while you sleep. This is why they work so hard to make sure the stock market goes up. This is one part of the asset class that you're gonna need. They're called equities. They're called stocks. They're called shares. They're all the same. You gotta get in on this. You can start with a $3 share, a $5 share, a $10 share, a $250 share. It does not matter. Over time, you buy shares of stock. This has been the golden rule. This is why there's stimulus packages. This is why there's bailouts. Again, one percenters don't lose. So now act like a one percenter. Be like a one percenter. You will be a one percenter. So let's create these asset classes. So what are we talking about here? You guys have heard me talk about it before. Let's face facts. Gold, silver, precious metals is an asset class. It's just that it's not liquid. But what it will do is it will stay and go up with the rate of inflation. So, by the feds printing stimulus money, this is a lesson day. While the feds are printing stimulus packages, giving you your $1,200, or those who aren't going to receive it. But anyhow, whoever's going to be getting money from this stimulus package 1, and mark my words, stimulus package 2 is coming, because the one percenters, 1.5 trillion is not enough. They want to own the whole stock market. They want to be able to play in their own casino. They want to make sure that they're able to buy your company, your business, take them out like Paul Singer does, which is hedge funds. That's what they do. They buy up other companies because they have the billions of dollars. They have the 50 million, the 75 million, the 10 million, so they can walk down and find the profitable companies and buy them up. You don't get to have that opportunity. So act like a one percenter and get in on what they're getting in on. If it has to be the low-hanging fruit, which is stocks, shares, bonds, so be it. But don't think my Tifosi Optics is an asset. Don't think Stop Struggling Now gear is an asset unless you have a clothing line. Don't think an automobile is an asset unless you use it to make money. Assets go up in value no matter what happens to the economy overall. So this is why real estate is an asset. And you might be saying, Eric, how's real estate an asset? I'm not talking about your house. We went over this several times. I'm talking about when you buy multifamily homes, or when you buy a house and rent it out and you're making income from it while you sleep, that is an asset. In this new digital age, what are you guys waiting on? Asset is this YouTube channel. It's an asset. It generates income. Social media is an asset. It can generate income. You put up a Facebook ad for 20 bucks, 100 bucks, 1,000 bucks. You go off in Never Never Land, go on vacation. People are ordering product while you're on vacation, while you're sleeping. That's an asset. Don't be confused. You're confused. You're out here doing what 99% of the population does. You're going to go get a car with a loan. You're going to go get a house with a loan. You're going to go get jewelry with the loan. You're going to go buy clothes with the loan. None of those go up in value unless you're using it to create income. So get with the 1%er program. In fact, go to Emerging Millionaires on Stop Struggling Now Facebook group. There'll be a link down below. But before we get into all of this, why I'm ranting about it is because it's kind of disgusting that we're getting close to 5,000 subscribers. And it's kind of disgusting that I know how many people have downloaded the Webull and the M1 Finance and the Robinhood apps. And on the first two I mentioned, you get a free share of stock. And on Webull, if you make a deposit, they give you another share of free stock. And you're on your way, and you can do $25. You can do $10. You can do $5. Somebody might be saying, Eric, what's $5? Let me just get it out the way. This is the No Guru Zone, ABR. If the stock market's going up, that's realty. That'll go up. And they pay dividends. And dividends is 20% on your money. Come on. NLY. Another one. 15, 16% on your money, even if you buy it right now. $5, $6, $7. $8 on your money. IVZ, Invesco, $10. And they're at 10% on your money. This is what the wealthy do. They get dividends every 3 months. 10% on your money. You ain't getting that at a bank. You're not getting it anywhere. This is how they're siphoning off your wealth. When are you going to start understanding this? If you have a 401k, friends of mine retiring, their 401k dropped 30%. Now, they're happy that they retired, but guess what? Where are they going to put their money? Come on. You know what they're putting their money? They're giving it to a financial advisor. Siphon off 0.05%, 0.5%, 1% on your money annually. Then he says, put it in this Vanguard Mutual Fund. Okay, Vanguard Mutual Fund, one of the lowest fees on the market, but still, your money's being siphoned off. Meanwhile, that $1 million that you gave to Vanguard, they're using it to make more money. So they tell you, yeah, man, we made 10% this year. When in reality, they made 50% on your money. They're using your money to make money. And you have no access to it. So think about it. Be like the 1%. Be the CEO of your life. Take control. What are you afraid of? Are you winning now under this present situation? Or are you one of these 16 million, 17 million that's been laid off, and now you're sitting here begging for a handout, going down to the unemployment office, finding out you have no check coming this week, but yet your rent might be due. You need food in the cupboards. What else do you need? Got to pay car notes, but of course, if you're a Stop Struggling Now subscriber, you've already called up your creditors and said, hey, can I get this COVID-19 deferred payment plan? And of course, you found out they said yes. So all I'm trying to say is, why are you guys playing like you're broke? Why are you guys acting like you're not wanting to be wealthy? You have to act like a 1%er. Hell, Carnival Cruise Lines. Some of you might have been lucky enough to buy them when they were $8 a share, $10 a share. Carnival Cruise Lines, Royal Caribbean, all these cruise lines, they only had 250 million to about, Carnival Cruise Lines had the most, 500 million in cash. That's what they had. These guys are able to just flip a switch and say, hey guys, can I get some more money from somewhere on the planet? And the rest of the planet comes in and says, yeah, hi, you need a year worth of money so you can last a year if this COVID situation stays around for a year? No problem. They ain't coming to you going, here's your year's worth of salary. When you gonna wake up? Come on, this is a No Guru Zone, and you got gurus running around here posting 2-3 videos a day saying buy their program. Come on now. You're willing to spend $2,000, $1,500, $200, $500 with them, but you ain't willing to invest that in yourself? You ain't willing to go get an LLC? You're not willing to start a business? Yeah, I'm yelling, because it's kind of disgusting what I'm seeing going on right now. People need help. And by the way, speaking of help, if you've watched this video long enough, this is the 5,000 subscriber videos coming up. So you know how we're gonna do this. I was gonna give a gift card for Amazon for the winner. But instead I said, you know what, somebody might need cash. So I'm just gonna make it $100 cash for the person I pull out. And then I have a $25 gift card for the runner-up. And there's gonna be stipulations, they're gonna be down below. So here's how you're gonna get in on it. I'm gonna do a live feed, probably Sunday night, because we should reach 5,000 subscribers within the next 48 hours. And I'm gonna pull names out of a hat. And it's gonna be the same rules as always. Except this time, I'm going by whoever has downloaded the Webull app, the Robinhood app, or M1 Finance app. I need you to send me over your information. You use my link down below in the description. You can't use somebody else's. I know whose name. They send me information on who signed up using my link, of course. And if you have, that gets you 1 entry. All right? How do you get more entries? You go to social media. You go to All Stop Struggling Now social medias. Or you go to your social media website and you have to put hashtag Stop Struggling Now. Hashtag Stop Struggling Now. That's it. Or at Stop Struggling Now so I can find you. And you got to mention Stop Struggling Now. Go find out how you can create wealth. Go find out how you can be an affiliate marketer. Go find out how you can save some money. Go find out how to make money. No matter what you want to call it, just put a link down below and put it to StopStrugglingNow.com, or you send them to YouTube.com/Stop Struggling Now, or StopStrugglingNow.com. No matter how you slice it, that's what that message needs to be when you put a link. You put a link for the YouTube channel or Stop Struggling Now, or you can do Instagram, which is of course Instagram.com/Stop Struggling Now. No matter what. So when I Google and do a search for anybody that has used hashtag Stop Struggling Now, or who has used at Stop Struggling Now, you get an entry into the giveaway. It's that simple. Those are the first 2 hurdles you have to do. And of course, you can send me an email at eric@stopstrugglingnow.com and let me know if you signed up for Webull, Robinhood, M1, and send me over the confirmation that you use my link, or send me over your username. No matter how you slice it, that's the only way you're gonna get in the drawing. First person that wins, $100 cash. Check. $25 pair of Tifosi optics. Check. And the winner's gonna get their choice of one of the Stop Struggling Now merchandise t-shirts. It could be CEO of My Life. It could be, what else do we have? Emerging Millionaires. It could be, well, the one I can't say because now we have to be child friendly, but I'll have a picture up on top of all the choices you have. It could be a hoodie. Take your pick. And runner-up is gonna receive $25 and Stop Struggling Now t-shirt of your choice. That's it. And down below in the description will be the rules and what you need to do once again. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And you know it's hard out here. That's why you have to get your assets while the economy's going down. This is the time where millionaires are made. This is when you start trying to acquire assets. You try to eliminate anything that's not going to try and make you money. And especially, I keep mentioning the stock market. It's an asset in today's environment. It will go up. And all you have to do is watch the oil prices. Usually before a great recession, oil prices go up dramatically. Right now they're under $30 a barrel. OPEC Plus, they're over there making deals. And what happened? All countries, not all, but the majority of oil producing countries came to an agreement where they're going to cut production. That's right. They don't like you paying $1.50 per gallon, $1.75 per gallon, $2 per gallon. They need you to be paying $2.50 a gallon. We have the petrodollar. Once you understand that, then you understand why oil prices have to stay at a certain level in order for the economy to chug along great. So what should we be doing since OPEC just did their thing? Maybe you might want to buy a few oil stocks. Hint, hint. All right. With all that said, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.